Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate brownies. So at the starting you need to take 2 tablespoons of sugar, then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, now 3 tablespoons of maida, some baking powder, a pinch. Now you need to mix this all. Now you need to add this ghee, 1 tablespoon. Now some vanilla essence. Now I have used 1 drop. Now 2 tablespoons of milk. A little bit more. Okay, now I have kept it in the microwave. So now I have to keep it in 600 volts and keep it for 1 minute. And now your chocolate brownies are ready. Wow.